privacy screen or curtain on a tension rod from Daiso, but as you can see here, it has a curved bracket that's intended as a floor support for another tension rod, but we've put it in place here like so. We travel with it, it's pretty tight, and it just is a good little feature when we're traveling together as a family. And look, I've just put a bit of one of those Velcro dots, and I made a little tie back. Well, I adapted it. I had this this strap from, I don't know what it was, sorry, and I've sewn a little ganza flower there that just comes off, and I've got a privacy screen which looks really neat, very inexpensive but very, very useful.